Good morning, friends. In the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, there was no transport, public transport. We could not go any other places. Even the train facility is also only limited. It is a good news that the Railways Department, they have announced running of 392 special trains throughout India. So in that connection, definitely people may gather, a mob will be there, and the spread of corona is likely to happen because we are in the fear of the second spread of corona 19 pandemic. Is it not? So, therefore, the railway authorities, so they have today issued some guidelines to the commuters or to the passengers. So, the heading is like this: wear mask or pay fine. So, if you have to wear the mask, if you don't wear the mask, you have to pay fine. That is the heading of the railway department. And they also stated that the violators may even face the jail term also. Why all this? Previously, people used to go in mobs, they used to get into the train, get into the running train, and they used to occupy extra seats. Everything was happening, but the people are not much bothered. But nowadays, because of the COVID-19, everybody is maintained. That's why I've been jocularly telling about that SMS. So SMS means must sanitize your hands and other. Second is YUM, that is wear the mask. And third one is social distance, of course. When we go to the streets, we know how much they are being followed. But anyway, they have to be followed. That is the intention of railways, right? So, what they are telling is the railways are cautioning the passengers. Previously also they cautioned, they said better you purchase the tickets digitally. Second, come to the railway station 1 hour in advance so that you have to undergo the thermal screening, and if you are found COVID-19 positive, you will not be allowed to travel in the train. That restrictions are there. But when the member swells, when the number is more, it will be difficult for them. Therefore, they have given the so-called instructions through press and media also. Right? Please remember, there is an act called the Railways Act 1989. It controls, it gives the provisions for the violations and other things. You might have been aware of this. Anyway, first of all, let us see the guidelines issued by the railways. Only thing is, number one, the passengers shall wear the mask. That too, if they don't wear the mask, at the same time, if they don't wear the mask properly, they are liable for penal action. Second is they have to maintain social distancing. This is also more important. The third one, most important, that is, of course, boarding a train after being declared as COVID-19 positive. And also, when you are waiting for the result, so even though you are not declared positive, if you are given the test and if you are not waiting for the same, waiting for the result, you should not board the train because the corona virus may spread to the other passengers. And most important is spitting, that means umata, or ejection of any blood fluid. And తుమ్మేయటం ఉమ్మటం కానీ లేకుంటే మనం ఇట్లా ఊస్తాం కదా ఓయటం కానీ willful ejection of body fluid or waste in the public area. Don't do it. If you do it, you are liable for punishment. Or any other act or omission. Doing something, omission means not any which is likely to aid in the spread of the virus, in the spread of coronavirus. Definitely, it will have been, it is deemed as unlawful and you are liable for punishment. So, whenever you want to travel by train, please wear the mask, that too in a proper form, not improperly. Second is maintaining the social distance, most important, because third is if you are found positive, don't go. Even you are waiting for the result, don't go. And lastly, I want to tell you, don't spit, don't eject the body fluids, they are so dangerous. So, how they are punishable? This is most important. They have cited the provisions of the law also. The Railways Act 1989. They have mentioned 3 sections. Section 145, 153 and 154. So, Section 145 says committing nuisance. So picking up quarrel, previously 145 means picking up quarrels. If somebody says, please maintain social distance, if you pick up a quarrel with him, if you cause nuisance, if you involve in a drunken brawl with him, you are liable for punishment up to 6 months and rupees 500, I think. So that is punishment. Section 153. So the act endangering the public safety or act endangering the safety of the other person, that is willful ejection. నువ్వు ఊస్తే తుమ్మితే పక్క రోడ్డు మీద పడితే దే ఆర్ సో డేంజరస్ అండ్ వెరీ హెవీ పనిష్మెంట్ 5 years. Yes, punishment up to 5 years. It may go extend up to 5 years. And ultimately, lastly, 154. This is just like our 337 or 304 EIPC. Doing an act rashly or negligently. If you do an act, any rash or negligent, so that the safety of the person. Normally, previously, we used to book cases when the persons throw them other side, outside. కొంతమంది కావాలి, the people, they negligently, in order to board the train, they push the fellows, and normally they may go to the other side and fall down. So many things happened. In that connection, previously 154 was put, but nowadays they have cautioned also. Any rash act or omission, rash or negligent act or omission. Omission means where you are supposed to do some act, if you don't do it, definitely you are liable for punishment there also. So they have clearly given the sections 145, 153 and 154 of the Railways Act, right? So please remember, why all this announcement? Why should it be necessary? Normally, is it possible? Normally, as elders we say that it may not be possible, but you have to create an awareness among the public that these things are going to happen. So, if a case is filed, then you have to move around the court, railway court. We don't know where they are located. Different locations will be there. You have to move around the court, even though the punishment of 500 is small in your view, but the time you lose is very much. So, please remember. Please remember these sections and advise even your fellow passengers also or your friends also not to go without mask, not to and wear the mask properly, and not to spit, and you have to maintain the social distancing. Thank you.